Mwana ma ye money bravo denwere ama denwere. One in OC Oceania community so day in Abo Pakafa ore. Oju day. Wari day. Environmental day and everywhere me pa denwere. Tamno digubo jirebo wa bie awa pikita kai. Moko tonkri mes me bravo with this pandemic threat so Jasaki. Ye brana ye kalibu brana kalabuf kamaure. But what I'm not someone ye and what the kanga medigi abrame one ebo so one proete kala wapa so sate hangai.
Emelama ani guy brabo. Me bosak membo amame antim brabo emi ania.
De amame bo abonima obonoma sokuida ma bise all the major communities the amame akukutorobo ekere kanse bravo de impakawre so one ba wa bio belai
tamno mete de ane wani ba biani ankuma tonja ngame wa wete ni bravo tonjo nyana lama mako ko smara ilo
yeah of course my and anemebo so one chairman local government say that was the Roland Sekbori light me okay am medical kuma not that maybe oil producing konoma or industry or bere and afare but light me bala aboni mabo and correct brame and so na bala other ocean communities go embrace diesel can approve in ita kekete light me yana but light me ankala bingbokri chama we o ine mono bia o na sinte te paka jasa kimbewa that syndicate fero abi yeshimate odokobia jasa kito orarobo to mi sente straight to water line me emu prepare so that amame pa every time light pass me to mima in a business ye kale mineral drop so ankala kulina prewa me restaurant na salon ya pugoge ankala kulina prewa because amame as me bra light me and then moko bala na bo 10 years apart from other environmental security educational projects so yare but in abo light me in get titia and otikiye farmer lamai light me pass me in apre
mako sa boko me ura tero
ano kosmeure they kwabra mako kosmeure unless Jasaki tama mete unless Jasaki but one ibu Jasaki and ye chiwe bebe one ibu not that wine about in abra safewre in a leg bala maybe upgrade or national grid ye kore bravo 1 or 2 days or some hours ke bala and be married but one ibu one ready na prayer light me amabos me
tamna braso on me pray ankuma ame bugbo ware me nine ame bugbo
I know
dan sekiri moko bugbo ware me dan sekiri
ingo ware mane
bugbo ware
braso Jasaki and break it down
bugbo ware me general hospital me dan sekiri moko.
Okay, general hospital me for the
general hospital of Akuga, especially
okay. And a general hospital Abonima. Amabusima general hospital me. Yes, to the best of my knowledge as a person as was in charge, I be Kekomba. Ajumobi Kekombia because Bossa Prima and Nabi Kekwe. But yeri Aramalata di Gieme. Me Thompson Kele Global Governor UK Okonomaye land anju infrastructure renovation landscaping painting roofing and all those things in ye fante moko asmaga te yere so ye bulai bravo de tie an online in that wa sake mu doctor rewa nurses ame rewa mu paracetamol ki wa sake moko memo so alata and equipment and furnishing bo analate anemoko latte anemoko anoloye but isibo manimia whether engeto mengbao or contract me pretable but for the basis of infrastructure maybe economana painting na hospital me renovating and reconstruction maybe konoma yelama mbo. But mako furnishing brate and Fiji. Oya commission it that oya doctors transfer mbo nurses mbo and then mako ayerite konradi.
Anu maybe akuma diri fanga me omni ama me pere.
Ade
Diri fanga me omni ama me pere. Did you make
omni ama me
drugs?
Yeah, omni ama me pere. Ori brana do go by privilege before the most of all this COVID pakaime so obrana do go and then one time Kalabari say akukutoru degeman asaritoru mu congratulations call them after the victory of the 2019 election member. And Jano Bodu go one that here, one is double, one is double. Tie Pakai that might not do that already. Me and that furnish me and Nekbala Moku Tebubo in the Gary there with all these maybe company Tebu Abo to Ambo Boyewa to all the men all those things. And just go and pray that wine ganima. That in the shortest period, the hospital will be fully operational. Because here, I'm a medical kuma. It be that Asaritoro, Akukutoro, or the Kalabari Seangamebo, one general hospital, functioning general hospital in Yana, apart from private hospital now, Wasaki Mange, UPTH, MUA, BMH, MUA, and now in case of emergency, bravo. So one is so one is Bubu, it be back, but one. Take a boost and what became Kala when I so that why the general hospital me Abundi Mayanawa, why they became general hospital me because announced that Buguma Boso renovation in Konoma College here and them so ready so that one me that why she take but all Tonkiri Kinino Biba accident in the Pakava so that Alabia the distance to cover Port Harcourt why just Magi or Pokrobokuma what doctor it there.
I'm not brush on.
I'm at there.
I come at the Angabo. Me, I'm a member. They may or Julela Bay or Yapawa, and they okay na can't be met. They okay na Angar Debra.
Okay, but I know that maybe in terms of security, maybe Usona, maybe there are courts in Bravo or it is a global thing, but by the grace of God, may Roland Sekibowe or Konoma Korelante, Konoma Korelante may just that making them that in pa Brakonomayana, in pa ine Pakabote, in Ka Garibon Abra, in Ka ine Kokubu Abra, in Yana, ine Kapafete na Bu Birimawa, ine maybe roof, Warike na Bog Baiwa. And that's the basic thing of every man, essential need of every man that in a worry angate, Isakuma, in a battle, if you're not a ba. And that's me, bro. So, or in a command, or in a engaging land, skill boo, school more poor, in Bomu, maybe catering, they were poor, in Bomu, wedding fabrication boo, in Mobu, as a local government council. Ajumabo, but in the memorable Japan part, Shapu Pemi, Yebrabo Gay, Japan Natibo part Shiba. So, and Ajumabo security method, what beefy red. Amabo, internal security, Oyapame, Amy, Amabo, fast Amy, police or Aroso Fena Pre, logistics operational, logistics or Ye na Pre. So then, maybe that. In Arobo employer na eke patroye, in Aro tire pote eke meye or imeye. So he has been up doing that ama den paka. And here he was to whatever most of the Kobe abede. And the government saki tebo iprewa because when he go there, when he gap in the saki bala fabia, when he gap in the saki bala fabia, in the saki mangi te tofuwo mo alapata and all those things. So I may obey the kwa at all. Even from CTC time up to now, name okay TTR because I'm not doing where bebe. Why never legite? E business yewa. In a magic breeze polo, bopolo latte, pikmamu wabo, demate monowa. So I name bebe. And security number one priority. Okay, ye somala where bobo that I'm made in ocean waterways, man. Even to the oceanic communities, maybe Soku waters, Kola waters, pirates and all those things, man. Obobo tell away that also in Japan, in a Semua, or that one example, in Emu, in Jibawa, then in a Furubia or in a Ingo Dogisobia, and then Osirosila Brabo.
Nanimbre, Lama, Tamno, Rasomon, Tamno, think one the book where. Uncle me, and Wawatan, Wawatan, Bravo, and Crabo, aku ga constantly make a straight the bobby and then one day in breve on the roller second bobby or ju kura and me wa and me wear a cram akuma bia wa wetere bravo up again cancel boom ndi osimi
no tam not on tribu okrola ore oju kro ore but oju me all many and dasake and go tana the snap moments of vacation we osra Konomako Rebewa leave Boso Mukalake in Osra. So the ultimate PK and Bosoa. Because with this pandemic and everything, all pressure. But Orobia, Bala Ojukala Loko. But when they can Sip Galagalama is just that. In the Moko, one leg bravo, one more bravo, Japo, fit, don't get Japo pray. Of course, I don't eat anything that may come an apple or an apple, maybe because of political reasons or ambition and aspiration. But I heritage that you're a threat. Some of them can never Gary. Yeah, that they are one acceptable family both of living government or one long rally. So, Oroju Krove, Mokamabu in a Yemes or Japuso in a Tamabu Bera, Ishori, Uria, Mubra, Lamadigi. One area or Ramabu Bramebo, but the truth is in the Gosime in Pikiru right that of Item of Fiana, but Basane Obabia and of Pikifibia because of Komama Yana or Loloa or Kamawa, not just because of remember Kukuake Legure as a month or a Tamon Nimure. So when the Wateka is a Tamon don't go to Moko or a 10 or may finish it a baby, anymore that also in the border, yeah, may Roland Sakebo. Miano ye Roland Takibo Miano Korea or Korabo prayer or our many Pakabuta never that it has some mere Korea or council mayor or Sakibo mere Korea, but in all for the betterment of we as Akugans. So that one nimure education also school where scheme Yapusko scheme where Wari Namapo so in a Balakon Mabote in a rabo so in a Wari Namate. So I'm there what take carry that some no pa. Don't go no more cooperate. As the councilors, supervisors, everyone, that I might be, can say what I have to go get Tamuno in a buying, in Lolo, in Kama, so that they, Nabo Pakaputa Bebe, in economy, correct, one it, Akukutora Punimo that ye, me to me, legure, the economy correct.
Itu go brag be ala ma email la mama ni pretam ni poma anko ma me ako me ako mebo oba om ni bi kwasi be ka wam ni fema wam ni bi bra okay wam ni fema me ako mebo iye fema ni bi ke wam ni fema wa e pakra anko ma obi ke bi wam ni fe sakma ba wam ni go ma bra ni YouTube, Facebook, Instagram akala ba TV temete ba nya na opere wa ba ibi atima om na kwa bia dere kwa bo yere that man is Ferdinand me na po oba wa bia